Multi-unit property currently set up for 2 apartments and a storage garage/workshop. Prime Highway 70 location in Beaufort. Highly visible property located at 2622 Highway 70 in Beaufort, offering excellent exposure along one of Carteret County's main thoroughfares. Conveniently situated between Morehead City and historic downtown Beaufort, this location provides easy access, strong traffic counts, and great proximity to local businesses, waterfront attractions, and medical facilities. The property is ideal for a variety of uses, including professional office, retail, or service-based operations. Ample parking and easy ingress/egress enhance functionality for clients and customers. A great opportunity to establish or expand your presence in a growing coastal community. Just add water to your lifestyle.